Yeah, this is my Yamaha keyboard, the PSR 520. No, it's not busted or broke. I'm cleaning the thing out. It's never been cleaned out. Look at this. If you guys didn't know, I used to work on electronics. So if you think you've seen enough, well, I still do stuff. So I got to clean all these things off because some of the keys wasn't working. So I looked at a video. It said to clean the keys, and look at there. I wonder what that is. Looks like a mouse area, but not here. But a mouse. I think a mouse got in there somehow. Anyway, so right now I'm over here. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. I'm over here putting the keys back together. I had to take these plastic keys out. This thing was just covered with just dust and grime and hair, and oh god, it was so nasty. And yeah, so I got to snap all these plastic pieces back in here, and right now that's what I'm doing. And I'm hoping to put it back together and some of the keys will work again, because there's like 4 or 5 keys that stopped working, and I got to put these back in. These are the things that make it, when you push it, it tells the motherboard or the circuit board what thing I pushed. It's not too hard. I just got to take my time, because you don't want to break off these pins right here. See how thin that is? If you snap that, it ain't no good. So I'm being careful with it. So yep, just fixing my Yamaha keyboard, because I am planning on using it as an actual keyboard to go with my synthesizer. So that's it. So after taking it apart, cleaning it all up, blowing it back together, or putting it back together, and it's a 26 years old, so what do you expect? So anyway, 3 keys still don't work. So this one don't work, that one don't work, and that one don't work. But all the white ones do. So yep, I fixed it the best I could. It was super dirty. Alright, that's it. That's my Yamaha PSR 500. Or, yeah, 520.